Alright guys, another video today. This morning we're going to be trading NQ. So market opens in about 45 seconds. You can see right here, delta and price is not super correlated. And we are in a big range, so we're going to be starting this morning out in regression mode. Obviously NQ has bigger moves usually than ES, right? So trend mode, we're usually in trend mode more on NQ than we are in ES, but we're going to be starting out in regression this morning. We'll see. We'll see if we need to change stuff. But yeah, no absorption down. I mean, there's this absorption line right here, but yeah, market opens here in 5 seconds. One. There we go. So we're using 2 contracts this morning: 24 tick, take profit, and stop loss.
Order filled.
There's our first trade. Obviously, NQ is very volatile opening. NQ moves very, very fast.
Target filled.
There we go. Like we might be getting a breakout. I'm going to switch to trend mode. Lots of buying on the tape as well.
Order filled.
Looks like that would have been a good regression trade, actually. We're going to switch into regression.
Stop filled.
Back to regression. Should have kept it in regression.
Order filled.
Getting close to this reverse RSI.
Target filled.
Okay. So it looks like if we were in regression, that'd be 3 wins. Looks like we were breaking out of the range though, so I switched to trend mode. Perfectly fine. We're at this reverse RSI now, so we're going to be expecting probably a pullback into this previous range. Okay. So we'll have to see how it reacts up here. Delta's not perfectly correlated here, and on NQ it's, you know, you're not going to be looking at these numbers as much because it just moves so fast, right? So right now we're going to want to see a pullback into this range unless we are getting a huge breakout to the upside, which can happen obviously, right? So we're actually going to switch to trend. We're going to stick it in regression. We're going to keep it in regression. We're going to keep it in regression. If we keep seeing a couple good bars out, we'll probably switch to trend mode. But I'm just looking at the chart here. I don't trade NQ often, right? So good practice here. But we're up 30 points since open in the past minute, 2 minutes. So we want to see a pullback into this range, and then we could switch it back to trend mode. Or switch it to trend mode.
Order filled.
There's actually a long trade. I'll have to see what happens here. I think regression long might have been a smart move instead of just arming in both directions. I think either way, we're going to be switching into trend mode after this. Whether we get stopped out or take profit hits, so. I have not a great feeling about this trade. Just looking at the time and sales and the tape and stuff. Got close to the take profit there, but looks like we're moving down to the stop loss now. These point of controls are basically the same spot, so could be forming like a sticky area. Got really close to our take profit again, but looks like moving down now. Good amount of selling is not good for us, so good amount of buying coming in on the tape. Little struggle around
Target
this
filled.
thrive zone. We're gonna arm it in trend mode actually.
Order filled.
It wasn't the best. It wasn't very good of a fill there. I'll have to see what happens. It was not a good fill. Yeah, it stopped out.
Stop filled.
Looks like regression would have won every trade so far this morning. Let me pull up. There we go. You know what? We're gonna keep it in regression actually, or trend mode. I think we're gonna get a big move in a minute here, just because we've been consolidating for a few minutes. These point of controls are all really
Order
close
filled.
as well. Short trade there. Not a lot of selling on the tape, so we'll see what happens. If we stop out, we're just gonna switch back to regression. Yeah.
Order
We
filled.
should have been in regression the whole morning so far. So we're just gonna keep it in regression for now until we really see something. But of course, right when I switch it to regression, we get a lot of buying, a lot of breakout, right? NQ's just choppy right now. Getting real close to our take profit, but
Target filled. Order filled.
Long trade there. Not the greatest. I would have liked to gotten filled for the long down here, but a lot of selling on the tape as well right now. So we'll see. Right now, regression has won every single trade today. Would have won like 5. So we'll see. This continues. It is a pretty big range, so we'll see. I mean, it's like a 15-point range, which is, you know, that's a decent sized range, so. If we break below, if we hit our stop loss here and move down, we're going to switch to trend mode. As I'm pretty sure we'd get a little bit of continuation to the downside if that happened, so.
Target filled.
We're going to arm regression long right now. Unless we move back to the mean, middle. Move back to here, we'll arm back both. We'll arm back both. Now we're just back in long.
Order filled.
So we got a long imbalance, so we got a short entry. We'll see what happens. Hoping we don't break out to the upside here. Looks like we might. Good amount of buying on the tape right now. Yep. Okay. Yep, we're gonna step out.
Stop filled. Order filled.
So right when I click there again in regression, got another fill. A lot of buying, so if we get stopped out, we're gonna be switching to trend mode.
Stop filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
Just unlucky.
Stop
Holy
filled.
crap, dude.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled.
Ooh, right at 13,500. Big selling. And this might pull back for sure. Sold one. Don't have that ever happen. Touched it so fast.
Target filled. Order filled.
I don't know how much we're gonna move up, honestly. I mean, we're very, very high up right now.
Target filled. Order filled.
It would be nice if we just continued to shoot up, please. Not many orders until 20. 13, 520. Oh, big selling coming in though. Yeah, I just don't know how much more we're gonna move up, honestly. We're pretty extended at this point. Hopefully we can hit this target. Got about a point off there. Decent amount of orders at 515 now. See what happens. He had like a tick there. Yeah, one tick off. Damn. Big selling coming in. That's gonna stop us out for sure. For sure. I had my finger on the close button. I was thinking about closing up here too. Yeah.
Stop filled.
That's rough. One
Order
tick off.
filled.
A lot of selling coming in right now. Let's see if the buyers still want to move us up though. Sucks a little bit because if we hit this target, which we were one tick off of, I was gonna call it a day, but we're not anymore. So checking if there's news. No, nothing really. A little bit at 10, but nothing really.
Target order filled.
That was a very quick jump down. Now we're bouncing back up. We're gonna probably stop out here. We'll see.
Target filled.
You know what? We're gonna call that a day. We're gonna call it a day. I think we're gonna continue down here, but yeah, I got a busy day. Trading 2 contracts plus 700 basically. That's pretty decent. I mean, if we were in trend mode right now, still there's a lot of selling going on, so we probably would have continued to make some money here. But yeah, we're calling it a day there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned, subscribe to the channel. Thanks.